100.7 KAXA, the Buck, man, and it's a little past 1 o'clock. I don't have a watch on me to see what time it is, but we talked about this for days. I've been in radio quite a few years, and this guy sitting beside me has been in the music scene for quite a long time. Where do you come from? You know, where were you born, and how did you get into music?
Well, I'm a sixth-generation Texan.
Yeah.
I was born in the great city of Fort Worth.
There you go.
And live in a little town called Bridgeport, and we've been there a long time. My baby son just graduated last year. He was a fifth generation, went through the school system there. It's just a little bitty hole in the wall, but at the end of the day, it's home.
Yeah.
You know, I actually was an athlete growing up. I got a football scholarship and went up to Kansas, played 3 years of college football, and realized that I was tired of playing college football. And, so I transferred back down to the University of North Texas and finished. That's where I finished my degree. I didn't have anything to do. I always sang in the locker room, you know.
Yeah.
The guys were like, "Man, you got a great voice, man." And I was like, "Oh, yeah, sure, yeah, whatever, you know." But
Yeah.
anyway, I was going through the paper one day, and I answered an ad in the Dallas Morning News, and I went out and sang my first show at the Wiley Opera House.
Wow.
And I made $25 that night to sing 2 songs, and I should have quit because I'd have been ahead. But you know, got in the blood, and I did the opera circuit for about a year to kind of learn how to read a crowd, and you know, some great people. You know, Johnny High's Country Music Review, and Leanne Rhymes was on the show, and I was on the show. And then Rocky Gribble, he played for Reba McEntire for years at Grapevine Opry, and just talented musicians. And you know, they taught me a lot. And then had a guy that I worked with. I was actually a sales manager at Carl Clement Ford in Decatur, Texas, and I was selling cars and running the sales department there, and my parts guy, I said, "Hey, I got this guy that has a band, and their lead singer just left. He wanted to know if he might want to audition." And, so I did, ended up getting the job. You know, I've been very blessed. I have, you know, to be able to provide for my family the last 20-something years by playing music. And you know, I realize how lucky I am because there's a lot of people that sing a lot better than me, and they're better entertainers than me that don't get this opportunity. You know, so I do not take it for granted. You know, I just happen to be in the right place at the right time. The good Lord's let the stars line up.
It's a real privilege to have you here, and I know that I've followed you, you know, for years and years, and you've been at it for quite a while,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And I appreciate you following us. I really
Man,
do.
well, play something for us. I'd love to hear a song.
Well, I guess I'll do that one I know. No, I'm just kidding. This is a big hit for us back in 2017 called Like a Radio.
Yeah.
She's got a song deep in her heart. Love to tell you about some buddies of mine.
All right.
Down in Sandia, Texas. We partnered up with a group, South Texas Distilleries, and they own Wild Rag Vodka. This is a cool deal. We just got them in Vegas. I was up there. I've been up there. Actually, I was up there last week for NFR, but a couple of weeks ago, we got this, and I had to host an award show, a rock and roll award show.
Now, how'd that go?
It was awesome. What was that lady's name? Lita Ford.
Oh, yeah. I've seen her in concert before.
Dude, she's awesome.
She's great.
But I got to meet some interesting people, and they're a little bit different than me, you know. But it was cool because at the end of the day, it's about art.
Yes.
It doesn't matter. You
Right.
know? Good music is good music. I don't care if it's Texas country, traditional country, if it's opera or hard rock, you know. It was
Yeah.
cool. Man, we really hit it off great. It was a great time. And we brought our friends Wild Rag Vodka. They were the only vodka that night in Hard Rock Live.
Oh, awesome.
So we brought them, but the deal is Wild Rag Vodka here, and they have a normal original vodka, and then they have a cinnamon torch. It's actually not cinnamon torch, the actual name is Texas Torch.
Yeah.
And it's infused with cinnamon. And here's the kicker. They are the only vodka in America that is made with mesquite beans.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's really a unique flavor. It's kind of a smoky tequila flavor. And I tell you, I'm going to give you these, and you can try them out, and maybe you can help us get some more Wild Rag Vodka in the Kerrville area.
I bet I might be able to, man.
Just don't drink all in one set.
I can hold all three.
Yeah, well, I don't know if we want to do that. You know, and another thing, I was telling you about our drive across Texas. We're very excited about it. We partnered with some good friends out of Livingston, Texas, by the name of Tommy Mauser and Angela Mauser. They own Strike TV, and man, it's a gret partnership.
Yeah.
You know, I was telling you that we're close to closing some deals that could put us in a huge, substantial number in a house across the United States. And, everybody's starving to death for content. So we're trying to be original, and Brian, my manager, he's the one that created Drive Across Texas. He owns it. I'm basically just the host.
Yeah.
And but it's fun.
I love to see, and I've seen a few episodes because we went online and looked, because I knew that was what you guys were going to be doing when you came. And I love to see you travel to different towns throughout the state of Texas, because there's so many treasures in these small towns that people don't ever get exposed to.
That's exactly right.
And to be able to go out and you bring those to the forefront of the media, so people can get catch an eye and maybe go visit for themselves.
Yeah, and that's it. I mean, what we're basically wanting to try to do is create some destination spots for people when they do come to the great state of Texas.
Yeah.
And one of the things that we like to do is educate people on not so publicized issues. Like one of the things we do is it actually was brought to the table by Brian and Wendy's sons. Wendy homeschools both her boys, and you're talking about the Tejano defenders.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't know anything about the Tejano defenders in Alamo, but they were the 13 Texans that fought at the Alamo. They're all Hispanic.
Yeah.
And one of them was actually born in the Alamo and came back and fought and died.
Wow.
And just unique things like that we want to bring to the surface, and just give people, make them more proud of the heritage here in this great state.
Yeah, especially for the people that are from Texas and for the ones that are not.
Absolutely.
I mean, that's the cool thing, is to expose it to people that are from outside of our state.
That's exactly right.
But man, what a great honor for you to be able to have the opportunity to go around and bring those things out to the people.
We love it. I'm, like I said, a 6th generation Texan. I'm a diehard. You cut me, I'm going to bleed Texas.
Yeah.
We're the official band for the Go Texan program for the Department of Agriculture. Sid Miller was kind enough. That's a great program that basically it promotes anything that's manufactured and grown in the state of Texas.
Yeah.
So it just keeps making this great state get greater. That's what I'm about.
Yeah.
Real simple kind of guy, humble kind of guy, but I'm very dang proud about this great state of Texas.
Oh, myself. If I ever leave the state, I feel like I got to get back as soon as I can. I'm not in my place unless I'm here in Texas.
Out of your element.
Yeah. Well, play another tune for us, man.
I can do that. This is our last single. We're going to be coming out with a new single after the first year called Whiskey Broken Heart.
All right.
It's a good song, but this is our last one called You Ain't Never Been to Texas. Seen a man on the TV. He's out in California. Man, we can't have enough friends on our social media. The easiest way to get to that is go to my website, which is patwaters.com. And if you'll scroll down to the bottom of our homepage, you'll see all of our social media sites: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Spotify. Please add us to your playlist. Become friends with us on our Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter, because this thing is blowing up. It's crazy, and we would love to have more friends along for the ride.
Yeah, check out the live television show that they're doing now, man. It's not only a good introduction into what Pat does as far as his music, but it's a real window to our great state of Texas.
Absolutely.
And you might learn something or see something that you didn't know existed in our great state, and then you'll be more educated for it.
I guarantee you, we'll give you some spots that you'll definitely want to hop in your car with your good-looking lady and go check them out.
Pat, I appreciate you coming
Justin,
into our studio, man. Thank you so much.
I'm going to tell you what, I appreciate all the years of support.
You got it, man.
If there's anything I can ever do, I'm a phone call away.
All right,
I know
man.
you hear that all the time.
Yeah.
That's sincere.
All right, man. Well, we're going to bring the Texas music back into the hill country here on the Buck. So we appreciate you coming in. Thank you so much.
Appreciate y'all. Have a Merry Christmas.
All right, you too, man. Turn it back over to Cody in the studio. Thanks for listening, everybody on Facebook, and have a great day.